Lesson 4. How do I take Mifepristone and Misoprostol to have an abortion before 13 weeks? For an abortion with Mifepristone and Misoprostol, you will need to take one 200 milligram pill of Mifepristone and 4 to 8 200 microgram pills of Misoprostol. You'll also want to have a painkiller on hand, like ibuprofen, to help reduce pain. Acetaminophen and paracetamol do not work for pain during an abortion, so they are not recommended. Here's how Mifepristone and Misoprostol are taken together to end a pregnancy before 13 weeks. Step 1. Swallow one 200 milligram pill of Mifepristone with water. Step 2. Wait 1 to 2 days. Step 3. Place 4 Misoprostol pills, 200 micrograms each, under your tongue and hold them there for 30 minutes as they dissolve. You should not speak or eat for these 30 minutes, so it is good to be someplace quiet where you will not be disturbed. After 30 minutes, drink some water and swallow everything that is left of the pills. This is also a good time to take a painkiller like ibuprofen, as the cramping will start soon. You should begin bleeding and cramping within 3 hours of using the 4 Misoprostol pills. Step 4. 24 hours after taking the 4 Misoprostol pills, if you didn't start to bleed, or if you are unsure that the abortion worked, place 4 more pills of Misoprostol under your tongue. Hold them there for 30 minutes as they dissolve. After 30 minutes, drink some water and swallow everything that is left of the pills. If Mifepristone is available in your setting, then you can skip the next video and go directly to "What will I experience during an abortion with pills?"